Hi, this is Freddie of Platinum Auto World once again. Today we're going to be taking a quick look at this one owner 2014 Ford F250. It only has 20,000 miles. It is a crew cab shore bed Lariat with the Platinum Edition. Very nice truck, very clean inside and out. Does come with heated and cooling seats, navigation, steering wheel controls, it's a very nice build. It seems to have an 8-inch all suspension lift. It's a third logic lift. Nice WeatherTech floor mats. Very clean. There's no rust on it. I think they still made them out of metal in 2014. Maybe 2015 and 16 they made of aluminum. Very clean truck. Very nice. It's currently riding on what are these 36 1550 on 20-inch fuel wheels. Can't remember the name of this fuel wheel, but it does go very well with the truck. Nice ladder bars. Let's see here, all stock. Exhaust wise, DLC shocks all the way around. Tires have plenty of tread. Give us a call with any questions you may have at 540-898-8300. This truck is available now at driveplatinum.com. If you have Facebook or Instagram, please feel free to follow us. If you're watching this video, please subscribe to our channel. We put a video of each truck that we get in. We try to handpick every single truck. 540-898-8300. Thank you for watching.